Google Photos Backup. How to backup photos on Google Photos. So if you want to backup your photos to Google Photos, it is very simple to do so. All we have to do is to make sure to launch the Google Photos application and log into the appropriate Google account of our choice over here. So make sure to tap your Google profile from the top right hand side and switch to a specific account where you'd like to back up your Google Photos. Right after you've done that, when you tap your profile icon again, you'll find this option called Turn on Backup. Now I'm leaving it off because I don't want it to occupy my Google storage, but if you want it to backup and it is intentional for you, then go ahead and turn on Backup. It'll occupy the default 15 gigabytes, and if it is more than that, you might have to upgrade to a Google storage plan. But either way, this is the way you back up your photos on Google Photos. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.